Welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today is Easter Dollar Tree DIYs. So this first one I'm using this garland. It has a few different colors of really cute buffalo check bunnies, but I wanted to take this garland up just another level. So I only picked out a couple of the colors of bunnies that were on that garland, and I'm using these wood beads from Dollar Tree as well. So I picked the blue, the green, and the pink bunny because, well, that's the kind of color of beads that I have. So I just decided to use these four and make a pattern, and then I'm going to add these bunnies right back to this and just make a really cute garland. But I thought that it was just kind of sad and lonely, and it just needed a solid little upgrade, and this was super inexpensive. I opened up 2 packs of beads, but really you only need one depending on the color. I think I had all the colors that were necessary, but I always seem to buy just one extra because you never know. It's like a just in case pack of beads, and I'm glad because I have never seen these beads at any other Dollar Tree that I shop at. But this is what the little garland looks like when it is done, with just a little tiny makeover on that. But I think it's absolutely adorable, and I'm glad I added the beads because it really just gave it something extra. So of course I had an extra couple bunnies from that garland, so I thought that I would use this purple one. I'm adding some more of those beads right here. And you know, you use what you have. So instead of just doing one craft with this garland, you might as well do 2 or 3 or 4. I did 2. I didn't go super crazy, but I added some of those beads to each side of the bunny. I have this really cute window pane. This is from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just cutting some scrapbook paper because I'm going to be gluing some scrapbook paper to the back side of this window. So I know that the scrapbook paper doesn't match immensely, like a really great, but I really like the way that it flows and it looks, so I went with that faux shiplap scrapbook paper. I bought a huge pack of this. I want to say around Christmas time it was 50% off, so you got some pretty great deals on scrapbook paper at Hobby Lobby. So I think it was like $5 or $6, and you got like 80 to 100 sheets. I don't know how many sheets. I opened it and I don't really know, but I know it was a good deal for scrapbook paper. So I did have to cut this in 2 different ways because I did want this to stand up. I didn't want to take that backing part off of the window. So it doesn't look perfect on the back side, but it does look pretty dang good on the front side. Once that was done, I'm just going to be adding that small little bunny beaded garland to the front of this. Obviously, you got to trim that scrapbook paper down, but I just used some regular old twine. This is from Dollar Tree, and I'm just hot gluing the edges to the back side of this window. And I think this is one of the cutest, quickest little projects that I have made in a long time. I think these colors are just so fun and so pretty, and I really love all the fun spring / Easter colors. For this next one, yes, love lives here. This is a Valentine barn, and I think they have these now as well. I don't know. I love the barns. I did pick off or peel off that roof there, added some scrapbook paper. This scrapbook paper is also from Hobby Lobby. I found this last year, but I don't think that they upgrade their scrapbook paper very often, because when I do go look, they always have the same stuff every single year. I go look for new scrapbook paper for Christmas. They have the same large pieces there. I just added that roof back and this Happy Easter. This is also from Hobby Lobby. I was going to use some Hobby Lobby wood bunnies. I decided to stick with the cute little Dollar Tree ones. These came in like a 12 or a 20, was it a 12 pack or a 20 pack? I bought 2 packs thinking that I would need that many bunnies. I have so many left over, so I'm trying to figure out what to do with all of them. So added 3 to the bottom of this cute little barn with that Happy Easter sign. I love the wood, so I keep it as is. You could definitely paint that and make it however you would like, but I think this turned out super, super cute. So I had 2 of these eggs left over, and you can see one on the right hand side is not an egg shape. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought it, but I wasn't, obviously. I'm painting one of these in the Waverly chalk paint, and what color is this? It is the color Pool, and then I'm using that ballerina slipper by Waverly chalk paint for the other egg, and it only took one coat, which is amazing. And use a hair dryer, dry it, and you will have this done in minutes. So I wanted to use some rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree. I love these ones, and these are so pretty when you put them on pink or blue. I think they are beautiful. I think they're pretty, and it's such a like a quick little upgrade for these wood eggs. And all you do is kind of rub that rub-on transfer on, peel off the top, and these are adorable. I actually end up sticking these in my tier trays. Bunny is from Hobby Lobby, and when they're 50% off, it's only $2.50, which I think is a great deal. I actually bought one of these last year and just added some fun scrapbook paper to it, but this year I wanted to do something different. So I'm using that color Pool by Waverly chalk paint once again to paint the bunny. And then once that was done, yes, I went in with some rub-on transfers. These are new at Dollar Tree. I've only seen them at one of the Dollar Trees that I have shopped at. I don't think I have seen them again. I'm just trying to get my bang for my buck, or bang for the buck, yeah. And I am putting the rub-on transfer this way, so I pretty much use the entire sheet because I knew I was going to have to open the second pack and use a little bit of that. And this takes a little bit of time, but I just love this like foiled rub-on transfer. I think it's super cool, and you know, if it kind of messes up, just, you know, rub it with your finger and do your best. Pretty much do your best. I feel like I didn't line this up like I thought I did. Maybe I did. It kind of just looks a little different on the top than the bottom, but I mean, you'd really have to look at it to notice. I just kind of noticed the flaws that I do, but overall, super cute idea. This one, I'm using this candy tray, this candy bucket, using the color Agave by Waverly, and I'm painting this. I bought this and I'm like, oh, I think I'm just gonna put candy in it. No, I'm not putting just candy in it. Like, we don't ever have like open candy just laying around. Plus, this isn't like the best quality, and I feel like if I really overdid it with the candy, I would just break this. I had a pack of these wood bunnies from Dollar Tree, and I'm just using them up. So I end up using everything that I pretty much bought for Easter. I was going to do Easter wreaths, and I just don't know if I have it in me to make, or I bought Easter wreath forms, and I just don't know if I have it in me to actually make wreaths this year. And then once that was done, I just added some greenery. These are green leaves. These are from Dollar General. And then I'm just adding some cute little eggs, and obviously those are from the Dollar Tree. You guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed these quick and easy Dollar Tree Easter DIYs. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!